Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change Windows display language on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. Then, from the Time and Language option open Language and Region. Choose and add your language. Then, click on Next. Choose the optional language features, such as Language Pack, Text-to-Speech, Speech Recognition, and Handwriting, then click on Install. You can add another language in the same way. You can see the languages are installed. Change your language. First, you have to sign out, then sign in to save the changes. You can do the same for the second language.